Today we have something truly extraordinary to unbox. The 2023 10-ounce Silver Trojan Helmet shaped coin. With only 11 remaining, you are about to witness a rare piece of history and art. So let's dive in. As we open the box, the first thing you'll notice is the impeccable packaging, designed to resemble a Trojan shield. This isn't just packaging, of course. It's a nod to the ancient warriors of Troy, who famously wore the Trojan helmet during the legendary Trojan War. The pattern is reminiscent of the shields used by Trojan soldiers, adding an extra layer of historical significance. Let's take a look. And here it is. The 2023 10-ounce Silver Trojan Helmet shaped coin. Just look at that true craftsmanship. Struck from 10 ounces of pure 0.999 silver, this coin is not just currency, it's a piece of art. The 3D shape and the specialist antique bronze finish capture an immense amount of depth and detail. Each coin is unique, ensuring you own a truly special piece. The Trojan helmet itself was more than just protection in battle. With its famous horsehair tail, it was a symbol of bravery and strength, embodying the awe and intimidation of the Trojan warriors. Now, each piece comes with an individually numbered certificate of authenticity, confirming that you own one of just 300 in the world. Imagine owning a piece of history like this. Only 300 made and just 11 are left. This is not just a coin, it's a collector's dream and a piece of ancient heritage. So there you have it. Whether you are a collector, a history enthusiast, or someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, this coin is a must-have. Don't miss your chance to own this unique piece of art and history. Act fast and become one of the lucky few to own this incredible tribute to the brave warriors of ancient Troy.